Your brain is under attack. Every ping, every scroll, every notification is designed to steal your focus. And in a world built on distraction, focus isn't just rare, it's a superpower. In this video, I'll show you how to rebuild your focus, take back control, and actually get things done in a noisy world. Think about it. When was the last time you worked for an hour straight without checking your phone? Most people can't. We live in the most distracted generation in history. The result? Shorter attention spans, constant procrastination, a mind that feels restless, even when doing nothing. And here's the scary part. The ability to focus is the foundation of success. Without it, ambition dies. So why is focus nearly impossible today? Because distraction is profitable. Companies fight for your attention because your attention equals dollars, and your brain, wired for novelty, keeps chasing dopamine hits. Let's destroy a myth. Multitasking makes you efficient. Wrong. Multitasking kills focus. Switching tasks constantly drains your brain's energy, leaving you exhausted without progress. Focus comes from doing one thing deeply, not 10 things shallowly. Step 1. Control your environment. The fastest way to rebuild focus is to control your environment. Put your phone in another room. Block distracting sites. Keep only what you need in front of you. Discipline isn't about willpower. It's about design. Build an environment where focus is the default. Step 2. The deep work ritual. Create a ritual for focus. Set a timer for 50 minutes. Eliminate distractions. Work on one task with intensity. Then take a 10-minute break. Repeat. This is how you retrain your brain for deep work. Step 3. Train your attention. Focus is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs training. Practice mindfulness. Read long-form books. These aren't just hobbies. They're workouts for your brain's attention span. The more you practice, the stronger your focus becomes. Step 4. Protect your energy. You can't focus if you're drained. That means sleep 7 to 8 hours. Move your body daily. Eat clean fuel, not junk. Your brain runs on energy. Treat it right, and focus follows naturally. Here's the hard truth. Distraction is easy. Focus is hard. But the people who master focus will dominate in a distracted world. Rebuild your attention. Take back your mind, and watch how quickly your life transforms. If you're ready to sharpen your focus and build unstoppable discipline, hit subscribe. And this is Grindset Daily. Until next time.